Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm giving you my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This is the Samsung edition color that is carbon fiber style. So very curious to take a look at it and see how it really feels, looks, and also I'll give you a sneak preview of the best case that I think you get for this phone. Let's get started. All right, so without further ado, let's take it off. It has a different kind of look to it on the front too when it's the bespoke Samsung exclusive edition. So I always kind of like that. It lets you know that this one is different from the other one. So let's go ahead and just see how this one looks. Oof. Now this is not a skin, this is the actual phone. So I do want to stress that this is the actual phone and how it looks like. And yeah, you can see that shine off of it, very on the reflective side, very glossy. And you can go ahead and take this part off. And then go ahead and take this part off. And yeah, so here it is. Still the gunmetal style around the side, not the lighter silver that you have on some of them. But yeah, really, ooh. It really is that carbon fiber like feel to it. And yeah, good grip for it on the back, like really good grip for it. I don't like how shiny it is, I will say that. It's a little too shiny for my taste. Let me know what you guys think. But overall, I mean, it definitely stands out in terms of the color and look. Like, I would think this is a skin, but it's actually just a built-in, and you could just feel the pattern, which I really do like. All right, let's go ahead and put what I think is going to be the best case. By the way, your cable and stuff is in this section, so a lot of people don't always know that when you do unbox this. Your cable and SIM card tray removal is in this section. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this over. And then, God, this does get like fingerprints on it right away. So this is from Taurus, and not sponsored or anything like that, but I saw this case and I'm like, this is the best case for it. And I'll go over why. And so the first thing you'll notice about this case is that it does have an S Pen insert. So I'm gonna go ahead and get an S Pen to put in here. And then on the back side over here, you do have a MagSafe connection, which you gotta love because that makes it so that you have the MagSafe connection so you can wirelessly connect things, or you can put the best kickstand out there in the market. And this is really important because this is one of the only kickstands that will easily hold a foldable and it not tip over so easily. So just know that this will keep it up. Now I will say the one downside about this case is it's not a clear case, so you do lose that carbon fiber look to it, but it's just one thing that I really like to have. And although it's gonna have a little bit of that bump for the S Pen, it is kind of nice just because it's always easy to open it. That way you have a little bit extra to be able to open it right away. And then you have that S Pen handy when you need it. So gotta get me an S Pen, start on that. So I'm gonna turn this on and compare it to the Z Fold 4 that I have and compare it to see how it looks against the Z Fold 6. Okay, so this is what it looks like comparing the Z Fold 4 to the Z Fold 6. These are very similar overall. The camera bump got a little bit smaller to have the flashlights separate. Where it really stands out more is the front, and that I think is where you notice the more boxier design. Again, we're talking like millimeters difference, so it's not too much of a difference. Hopefully, from what I heard though, it is a little bit better typing experience, so hopefully we'll get that. Overall though, it looks very similar to before, but again, the reason I really recommend this one is for the trade-in right now. Get it while it's pre-order, and I think you'll be much happier because this is the best trade-in value you'll get for this phone. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this color in the comment section down below? Is it your new favorite? Are you gonna be looking for another color? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.